kasi ako, kaya umaga ngayon. Kanina pa ako nakauwi ng 7:30. And then si Tom, ando nagsimba siya. Katatapos ko lang din kumain para, and then maliligo na rin ako para matulog. And then plano ko guys na pumunta sa, mamaya ko na sasabihin. Ito guys, pala na-deliver na yung in-order ko sa Amazon. Papakita ko na ang holder ng cortina. Dalawa lang para sa kwarto namin. Kasi pina-order ko yung kapatid ko sa Shopee doon sa Pinas. And then ito naman, starter kit for blood sugar check. Kasi, sila mother kasi, sila mother so and father so guys, mga diabetic. Kaya nag-order ako nito para dalhin ko sa Pinas, and then para i-check nila kung halimbawa masama yung pakaramdam. Kasi pag high blood sugar ka kasi, sumasama pakaramdam mo. And then same with kung low blood sugar ka, masama yung pakaramdam. So para malaman nila kung halimbawa masama yung pakaramdam, na para hindi ba mag-panic, so i-check agad nila yung sugar nila. Ito, meron daw sila dati pero naubos na siguro. So ito, ano na siya, kit na siya. And then ito naman, test strips. Ganitong brand kasi yung ginagamit ko sa trabaho namin. Ito, pero ano siya, G3. Ito kasi G2 lang. So, gusto ko yung ginagamit namin sa work kasi nag-check ako ng blood sugar doon sa work. Kasi sa work ko kasi nag-check ako ng mga blood sugar, pero hindi ako nagbibigay ng insulin kasi hindi ako pwede. Pero meron na rin sa trabaho ko mag-aaral uli pero 2 months lang. Mag-aaral ulit para makabigay ng insulin, pero ayoko. Ayoko kasi, pero kung sa trabaho ko magsabi sila na you have to take the CMA2 para makabigay na ako ng insulin. Kung sila yung magsabi na go, kailangan mo mag-aral, and then i-increase nila yung sahod ko, yes, mag-aaral ako ulit para para sa insulin. Pero kung hindi sila magsabi sa akin, okay na, hindi na ako mag-aaral. Hey guys. Guys. Asan yung cellphone ko? Yung cellphone ko guys, kasi mag-a-alarm ako ngayon. So guys, tingnan nyo yung oras. 10 AM na. Kasi guys, ito guys, regalo pala to ni Tom nung mga matagal na to, panda. Regalo niya sa akin. So ngayon guys, 10 AM na. Hala. Grabe guys, 2:30 PM mag-alarm ako para magising dahil may pupuntahan kami mamaya. Ako yung may gustong pumunta dito kasi trending siya. Gusto kong makita kung meron pa bang available kasi trending. So guys, matutulog na ako kasi day off ko ngayon. Day off ko mamaya. 3 days off ko, 3 nights off kasi I work night shift. And then work ako ng weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and then off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then yan lang yung routine ko. Work ng 2 nights, and then off ng 3 nights. And then, off ng 2 nights.
Hold on, honey.
All gone. Guys, maganda itong vest na to kasi nakakatulong talaga pag sobrang lamig. Nakakatulong talaga para hindi ako lamigin. So na guys. Ganito lang ako guys kasi nakikita yung forehead ko. Hello. Oh, guys, yung box pala ready na kasi guys, ngayong araw ko siya i disassemble kasi Christmas is over.
Christmas is over. Oh.
Christmas is over.
We'll put it back up tomorrow. Yeah.
We will put back next Christmas.
Yeah. We're gonna do Burr months this next year. This year. We're gonna do Burr months. One thing I like about the Philippines, they start Christmas early.
Oh yeah. 41 right now.
Yeah, that's a little warm.
And next week, oh, so cold.
Yeah.
The coldest will be 14. Oh wow.
That could be a bitch. So that's not too much.
Wow, nice. 41. Oh wow, look at that clouds.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Wow.
Very interesting for clouds.
Wow. Clouds. Hello. So guys, tinanggal ko na lang yung hat ko kasi 41 pala, hindi naman pala malamig. Malamig, malamig pero hindi 20. Bis 20s, yan, sobrang lamig niyan. So guys, we're going to stop first at Walgreens. Is we're gonna get my husband's medicines for what is it?
Cholesterol.
Yeah. So guys, oh, bus.
Big bus.
Oh, students, bus for students.
Yeah, getting off school.
Yeah. So guys, I've seen this post, trending post in Facebook, that these bags, Tutti bags, are like in demand, or a lot of people using it for fashion, and
They might not have them then if they're in demand. I'll be right back in.
okay. So guys, andito kami sa Walgreens. Yan. Kasi may ipipick up lang si Mister. Kasi guys, may nakita kasi ako sa post na ang daming bumibili sa Asian, sa London, nitong tote bag. Kasi parang, ewan ko, parang trending siya na fashion. So, ayun. So, sabi ko, kahit bago mag sold out, at punta na kami ngayon, kahit na 4 hours lang yung tulog ko kasi natulog ako kanina ng 10 AM. Righty. Trader Joe's. The trending Trader Joe's. And my husband is not happy because it's so much traffic going back to our house.
Not for a damn bag. No. It's not even important. It's just a bag.
It's 3:23. Is it?
Just another bag, honey.
Is it traffic like this time? Like rush hour?
Yeah. Told you it was gonna happen. Well, I tried to get out. It still got out early. Good.
Yeah, it's 3:24 only, and it's so traffic na.
For something important, I could see it, but that's super light.
No price.
$8.99.
I think that
Up in the front.
black.
I don't know. Yeah, all the codes are up on leather or tan or whatever.
Ah, they only have. Oh yeah, they're $3.99. I need the kind of dark. I know I'm gonna look. Hi, $3.99. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This $3.99, right? Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. So guys, I got the bag by goodness. Where is he? He's so inside. Guys, nawawala yung sinasama. Ah. Hi. Hello. Sam, I thought you were all set already.
Get your bags already?
Yeah.
Good.
Got my bag. I was like looking for six.
Get away with good old pennies. They put print them, but now we ran out quick.
Oh, I'm thinking, how many girls in the house in Pixonville? So,
77.
mom. Kasi guys, 6 pieces lang yung binili ko. Kasi ano, my mom, my sister, and then Marian, Margie, and So, Mom, Geraldine, Marian, Margie, what's her name?
At one count?
No, she don't like this kind of bag.
I don't think so.
And then May-Ann and me. Oh, 6. Okay, that's enough.
All right.
Oh my goodness. The trending bags. My goodness. So guys, I only paid, and the cashier they were like smiling because I didn't ask if a lot of people buy there, like Asians people or foreigner, actually not from here, from the US. But Americans will just like nah.
Yeah.
But from London people, from Asian, mostly Japan, Philippines, this is kind of in demand. So guys, this is the in demand bags. The famous one is the dark blue, but this one is kind of green, but it's okay. Trader Joe's, $3.99. Yeah, so I paid $25.38 for 6 bags plus 6% tax. Tax is $1.44. So the total $25.38.
Here we go, honey.
So guys, this is the worst part is traffic right now.
We don't do this again. Terrible.
It's harmless.
Not on my nerves, is not.
This coming coming here is not traffic, but going back is, oh my gosh. Look, it's kind of, wow, it's kind of good quality bags for a $3.99. Oh wow. Yay! May pasalubong na ako guys para sa kanila. Yay! Sayang wala yung dark sana. Green. So guys, we just passed traffic. It's not that bad. It's only a few minutes and we passed it. Now we're...
Yeah, but you're Filipino, you're used to traffic jam. Traffic jam everywhere in the Philippines, guys. Go anywhere, traffic.
Yes, andito na kami. We're home na.
Alright, we made it home.
We made it home. Yeah, the traffic is not that bad.
Because you're a Filipino. It's
You
traffic
guys,
bad all the time.
If you notice my husband's face,
That's no,
no.
that doesn't go. That doesn't, no. That's no. That's a no.
no, why?
That's a no. That's all.
No sharing.
No sharing, no. It's my business, my personal business, not everybody
Okay.
on the blog.
Oh, just sharing,
I know.
update.
I don't want to share. That's
Ayaw niya guys kasi nagpipiling yung mukha niya. Chemical peeling from dermatologist. Hi guys. So guys, ito na yung bag. Try natin. Sayang wala yung dark lang siya. Nice. Tanggalin ko muna ito. Oops. Nag-glow Naglabas si Mr. Naglabas si Mr. Ito guys. Try natin. Sayang talaga wala yung dark. Green kasi to. Pero guys, ano talaga siya? Good quality bag. Pwede rin pang beach, kung pupunta sa beach. Ganito, marami kang malalagay. Oh. So ito guys, itong box na to, para to sa Christmas tree, tatanggalin ko na kasi ngayon. Yes. Siguro mga ano to, 1 pound. Oh my goodness, 1 pound. Pero, grabe guys. So guys, magpo 4 p.m. na magluluto na rin ako ng dinner. Kasi maaga akong nagising, so maaga rin akong matutulog. Mag-hungry si Mr. guys. Hi! Veggies today.
Veggies, broccoli,
Broccoli.
potato.
Guys, update. Magluluto na ako ngayon ng roasted vegetables. Parang natatakot ako sa position ng camera ko. So, ito guys. Hiniwa ko na yung sweet potato. Ano yun ito? Potatoes, carrots, and broccoli. Yan. Yung Trader Joe's tote bag. Viral na pala siya. Hindi, nag-trending na pala siya last year. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Kasi nag-search ako. Grabe. Sa Korean yata. Parang sa Korea, Japan. May nakita rin ako sa London. Ewan ko. So ito na guys. Mag-ano kami ngayon. Roasted vegetables with mag-steak kami ngayon. Bali, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng olive oil. Ito guys, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng Miracle Blend seasoning, natural seasoning. Then, cinnamon for sweet potato. Ano guys, ready na rin ang oven. $25 minutes, right?
How many?
25 minutes?
29 minutes. 29.
29.
20,
29 minutes.
29 minutes.
Guys, ito na ang veggies. Yan. Yung steak, nandito na rin sa oven. Na broil ko lang ng 7 minutes and then yung kabilang side is mga 6 minutes siguro. one more minute pa yung akin guys kasi gusto ko ng parang medyo done, well done kay Mr. siya kanya. Anong tawag na? Tom, what do you like? Medium rare? Tom?
Yeah,
Medium rare. Yeah. Yun guys. So guys, after 1 minute. Did you try your steak already?
No.
Just wondering how was it? How is it? So, ito na guys ang aking steak. So guys, kakain muna kami. Kakain kami habang nanonood ng movie.